Qualigie Rapid Technologies is a custom manufacturer based in Xiamen City of China. We specialize in rapid prototyping and low to high volume manufacturing for plastic and metal parts. We offer you a variety of engineering services, including CNC machining, mold design, mold making, injection molding, sheet metal fabrication, stamping, die casting, to surface finishing. At Qualigie, CNC machining is commonly applied for rapid prototyping, short-run production of plastic and metal parts, and also ideal for making tools for injection molding, stamping, or die casting. Our CNC machining center operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We can offer fast turnaround CNC machining by the automatic tool changer. We are also capable of making a wide range of parts requiring high tolerances, complex structure, and special materials. In our tooling and injection molding factory, our skilled employees and advanced equipment enable us a timely delivery of orders with high product quality. We have many kinds of injection molding machines, allowing us to be flexible to produce all kinds of parts for you. As always, we provide dedicated engineering support to help development process before, during, and after production. When you want to turn your design ideas into reality, Qualigie is always here to support.